This is Baolai Trade Eve Company. Baolai is mainly engaged in faceshield and safety goggles. We are open to any style cooperation and search for worldwide distributors continuously. Our factory is equipped with fully automatic injection molding machine. Daily production capacity 200,000 sets glasses. We have 1,000 sets molds, except the production of various types of glasses. After completing the production of spare parts, our quality inspectors will conduct the safe inspection of spare parts to ensure that the best quality products are delivered to customers. The assembler workers who are the best trained to assemble products efficiently and with high quality. If you are interested, please contact us now.